All right, guys, contest of the month, this self-defense umbrella from Security Umbrella. If you guys want to know how you can win it, all you got to do is keep watching the video, and I'll be giving all the details at the end. All right, guys, so we're looking at a stabbing in a Taiwanese subway. So this guy stabbed 4 people, actually killing them. And this guy over here, as you can see right over here, he's bleeding, and he's used his umbrella to keep the attacker back with a knife. And you can see the people behind him. So he probably got stabbed, and he managed to use his umbrella to keep the attacker back. There's a dialogue happening, and that's what he's using to create some range between him as an attacker. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna look at how you can use your umbrella against a larger attacker, or if someone's holding a knife. All right, guys, so we're gonna look at how to use an umbrella against a knife or a larger attacker. Now, this is actually a self-defense umbrella. You can see, and even the point here is pretty solid, okay? So if you have one of these umbrellas, great. If you don't, then you use whatever you have. So let's look at how you can use it. The first thing is, what it comes down to is actually range and distance. So if he had a knife and he's here, I'd be poking with this tip right into the face, right? Go attack. So he's here. Boom. You feel that? Right? And I'm not even going hard right now. Same thing I could use here. I could throw the umbrella there. I can poke him. I'd still be using my legs as well. Attack with a knife. Just go. So as well, I'd be using it here to parry and just boom, hit him this way, okay? The other thing I could do is actually open the umbrella, right, where I'm here. So right now, like he can't even, I'm using the umbrella as a shield to cover center mass. Now, obviously I can go through the umbrella, but I would just start hammering away at it and just boom, right there, I would kick him in the nuts, and I would just keep it to stop his field of vision, right? Again, I'm still using low line kicks. I'd still be hammering this way, driving the umbrella. Even if it breaks, even if he catches it, I'll find the opportunity to throw some kicks as well as throw some strikes. So when you're looking at against, especially against a knife, it's all about distance and range, guys, right? So you want to create this over here to block, go slow, to block here, go again, just attack any way you want. So if I'm here, I'm using this. I could use boom here just to strike him here, flip it there, bring it there, here, and just keep him. And I'm going into the eyes, into the throat, again, using those low line kicks. The good thing about this umbrella, again, because it's self-defense umbrella, you can use both ways. And this thing is fucking, look at this. It's solid. So again, if you don't have one, work with what you have. You have your regular umbrella, whack it, open it, throw it, create distance, use your legs, distract the person, just do whatever you can to buy you time, space, and distract them and slow them down. All right, guys, if you want to know how you can win this security umbrella, all you got to do is share the video on Facebook. As well, if you want to buy this umbrella, we have a 20% discount right now. All you got to do is click the link in the description box, Security Umbrella. As well as we have a brand new program, a knife defense program for $9.99. If you're interested in buying this, gotta click the link in the description box as well. Go check out this program. I made it just for all of you out there. I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and stand strong.